Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. So today I'm going to show you how to update these resource counters in my inventory menu. So this is the first part of my inventory menu. Here you can see the counters for each resource type: red leaves, blue leaves count, and green leaves count, and graphite count, and wood and feather counts. So yeah, at the moment I don't have any of the resources. Now I go here to this resource chest and collect some resources. I collected 4 wood and 3 graphite and something else. Right. So yeah, now you can see in my inventory menu, you can see the counters are updated to reflect the things that I have collected. So yeah, that's what I'm going to cover today. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so let's first open our inventory widget. It should be here. Right. Okay. So now, in order to update these values, I need to access the place where I keep those variables. So I keep them in the inventory blueprint. I have created this pp inventory variable type actor. So then I'm gonna read that value. I have created this get resource count interface method in the inventory, in this PPI inventory interface blueprint interface. So I have implemented this PPI inventory interface in my inventory blueprint. Where is it? Yeah, this one. So this is the get resource count method, and I have explained how did I came up with everything you see here in previous videos. So let's just use it. And yeah, so where do I initialize this variable? Alright, I remember I initialized it in the HUD. Here in the BP HUD, when I create this inventory widget, I set this BP inventory variable with the inventory object of the player character. Right, so now all I have to do is access this get resource count function and update these values using relevant resource counters. So yeah, let's do that. So here I have partially implemented the event, the function. So let me do it again so it will be clear for you. So these are the text elements, this red count, blue count, and green count, and wood count, and feather count. So these are the variables, these are the text variables. So I'll get blue count first and set text like this. So here I need to access, I need to get the blue count of the from the inventory like this. Get resource count, and for the type I have to select blue leaves, and count should be connected right like this. So just like this I have to do for all the resource counters. So let me just convert this to a function. Update resource count f. Wait, I can put this part also inside the function. Update resource count f. Alright, so now I'll change the name of this self to text. And also I will promote this to a parameter like this. I'll call this one resource type. Right, now here, yeah, just like this, here I can select the blue leaves. So let's add, we have, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have 6 counters, so we need 6 of these. Right, and let's connect them like this. And let's start from the first one, fire. So I'll get the foot count. Right, so this is this first things, this fire, poison and frost, those are magic types. Those are not really, yeah, they are resources there, but those are not the resources that I can collect. So the only the collectible resources I have used here. So other types, they may be collectible in future, but I will show them somewhere like this. Let me show you my design. Just like in this design, the fire, poison and frost will be here. So for now I'll update only these 6. So they should start from graphite and red leaves and blue leaves and green leaves and wood and feather like this. So for the text I'll use graphite and red count and blue count and green count and wood count and the feather count. Alright, now I need to call this event whenever I open the inventory. So let's do that right here. Where do I open the inventory? Yeah, right here. So before I add it to the viewport, I'll call update resource counters, and let's see if that works. Initially, I don't have any of the resources, so everything is 0. Right. So now let's collect some resources. Arrows. Actually, arrows are not listed in this one. They are listed. Arrows are listed in here in the top left corner in the HUD. So this resource chest have multiple resource types. Right. Now I collected 4 wood and 6 graphite. 3 graphite. Yeah. Now you can see my wood count and the graphite count is increased. So yeah, this is what I wanted to do. So okay, and that's all for today, and in the next upcoming episodes let's look into how to use these resources and craft items using those by consuming those resources. And I will upload the latest source code into my Patreon page, and if you like to support my work you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.